Hey guys, I wanted to do kind of like a little bit of a day in my life. So a little bit of this is going to be a voiceover and a little bit of this is going to be me talking about something that I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm just starting out my morning with some cereal and some coffee and just relaxing and watching TV. I had this day off unexpectedly, so I just kind of took the time to myself and really made sure I did self-care today. I've been trying to do that a lot lately because I've been working so much more now, and like my work is all over the place. Like I'm here one day and there the next, and I'm all over the place. So whenever I get a break to do something, I try and do a little self-care and all that. So anyway, again, even though I had the break today, I still consider YouTube part of my job. So I was kind of working today, but just working from home. Anyway, I just wanted to throw that out there. So I'm just making the bed, and I hung out on the couch for way too long, and I was kind of waiting for the weather to clear up so I could go to the pool. So I decided to change in my swimsuit, put on my sunscreen, and make my bed, and then just get the kitchen cleaned up and all that. Wasn't too bad. And then I decided to have a little bit of lunch outside. So I was trying to decide whether or not it was nice enough to go to the pool. It was kind of windy, you could see, but it wasn't too bad once I got in the sun. So, but I did go ahead and just wash the dishes and all that. I was trying to give the weather more time to warm up, but I think that day was probably as warm as it was gonna get. And then this is usually what I bring with me to the pool. It's just my apartment pool, so I don't bring much. Alright guys, I wanted to pop on here and show you, I have a friend. It's my sister's friend, but of course she's my friend too, because they would always, like when I was younger and stuff, they would always make sure they played with me and stuff. My sister and I are 8 years apart. Anyway, she does Vantel Pearls, and it is a direct sales thing, but it's actually pretty cool, and I trust her, so you know, if you guys are interested, I'll leave all of her information down below if you're interested. But it's just like a company, and it's really cool. When I first saw it, I was like, huh, that's interesting. Like way before, her name is Jessica, way before Jessica started doing this, I saw people chucking pearls from oysters. So they get like a bag of oysters and then they chuck the pearls themselves, the consultants anyway. And they do live videos and you get to watch them do it live, and it's pretty cool. I've learned a lot because she is kind of one of those people that likes to teach you things. So she'll teach you like fun facts about oysters and pearls, and so I like watching her. It's fun. It just always takes me back to my childhood being with her and stuff like that. So it's like good memories
of everything being in the house full of girls, because it was a house full of girls when I was growing up, and it was fun. It's just always nice to hear her voice and stuff. So she sent me a free gift because I did like a drawing type thing, and so she sent me a free gift and 2 booklets, and she sent me a cute little note. It's like a handwritten note, and her handwriting's so pretty. I always remember her handwriting being so pretty. So these are considered like heirloom pieces of jewelry. So the free gift that she sent me, you can't get these particular, well, let me just show you. So it comes all packaged, all nice. I made sure not to show my address this time. I moved the thing. Oh, Lord. So here they are. So, you know, you can either have the option to check the pearls, or they also on the website, when you look at their jewelry, you have the option to just do white pearls. But these are the pearls, and they're super pretty. And like she always said in the videos that the magazine and the live YouTube doesn't do them justice, and she's right, because they're really pretty. They're like a silvery white, kind of. They're white for sure, but they're like kind of silvery white. You know how pearls always kind of pull different colors because they're kind of you know, shiny and stuff, and they just always pull different colors, and you know, it just depends on what was put on them or put in the oyster for the irritant and all that kind of stuff. And it is like very, people worried about harming the oyster, but it is a very friendly process, and the oysters die naturally. They don't kill them off too early. They actually die off naturally. So it is a very friendly, oyster-friendly process. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Not vegan, but it's not animal cruelty. You know, maybe that's what I'm trying to say. So anyway, here they are. So they do just sell the regular, just the regular stud pearls, but these are the enhancers. And these are what they don't have anymore. So I have something that you can't order anymore, but they do have other enhancers and stuff like that, so you can have those. So I'm definitely going to be wearing these a lot because I love pearls. Pearls are like one of my favorite stones, pearls and amethysts, of course, because my ring. And I like alexandrites too. But I've always loved pearls as a child, and they always say like Virgos are drawn to pearls, so I'm definitely going to be wearing these a lot. They're super pretty, and yeah, I will leave her Facebook page below, her website below, all of that, and I'll show you guys what they look like on my ears too, so that would probably be helpful. So yeah, it's called Vantel Pearls. So go check her out. She's super sweet, and she is a very efficient person. She's always on top of it. So yeah, love it. I just got back from the pool, so I didn't get in the pool, so I don't necessarily have to like take a shower, but I hate the way sunscreen feels after a while, so I'm just gonna rinse off and continue on with my day. It's not been a very eventful day. So yeah. Alright guys, so I decided to make a smoothie since I didn't have any fruit or anything like that for lunch. We didn't really have very much food in the house. Like usually I put yogurt and all kinds of stuff in my smoothies, but we didn't really have much, so I was just trying to at least get some fruit in me, and I was craving fruit. So just whipping up a quick smoothie.
And I always find it helpful to wash my blender out right away. Otherwise it gets gross. Especially when you use yogurt. It's better to wash it out right away. So I just filmed this makeup tutorial. I have to clean up after it. But I wanted to give you guys a closer look at these pearls. I talk about them in my makeup tutorial too. So here is the pearl. It's just a white, pure white pearl. You know how sometimes pearls will pick up like different colors? Like this almost looks like it has a little blue in it, a little pink in it, some silver in it. You know what I mean by pearls? Jessica's better at explaining this. So this is what the earring looks like. So it's just a button earring basically. So you could totally just wear it like so, which I definitely can see myself doing. Or you can get these little backs. And again, this is one that they don't sell anymore. So I have something that nobody else may have or can buy anymore, which is cool. But anyway, they have other earring backs, so have no fear. They have some really cute ones. They have like wing ones. They're super cute. So I may buy like those to add to these earrings. So anyway, this is just the back. It has a little hole up there, and you just take the earring and you put it in there, and it just gives it some pizzazz and flair and all that. And I really like these. Like, these are really cool. They're kind of edgy in a way, but kind of girly with the pearl, like, because they're pointed, so I feel like they're kind of like an edgy type earring, but the pearl makes it girly. And then you just have your normal earring back. iPad is going off. Okay, there we go. So and I'm pretty sure the metals are sterling silver. So if you have like a metal sensitivity, just do your research. So yeah, just really pretty. I just really like them. So I just wanted to show you a little bit closer up of what they look like. So yeah, all right. Well, I have to clean up my makeup stuff. We're bringing it back old school. You remember when you remember when I used to film my intros and outros on my bed? We've come back. We've come back full circle. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that day in the life with me. It wasn't a typical day off for me. I just happened to kind of have a day off, so I really took advantage of just taking my time with things I did during the day, like going to the pool and hanging out on the sofa in the morning. So, you know, I did get things done during the day, like dishes and cleaning and all that kind of stuff, but I also made sure I really took my time with everything. And even though this was a day off for me, it wasn't really a day off for me because I consider YouTube part of my job too. So I did YouTube things all day, basically filming this video and then filming a makeup tutorial and taking pictures and stuff like that. So even though it was like a day off, it was like a day off from working outside the home. This was like a day off working inside the home, but I made sure I did some self-care today and ate good meals and took my time to myself with everything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye.